The Mivi Q aspiration catheter consists of a short, flexible catheter section attached to a 0.02-inch pusher wire. When combined with a guide catheter, this unique design allows the Q catheter to achieve superior flow rates in two different ways. Firstly, the pusher wire of the Q catheter allows the larger internal diameter of the guide catheter to be utilized for generating aspirational force. Secondly, the unique design means that when removing the catheter, the length of the system through which aspiration force is applied decreases, further increasing rates of flow. There are 4 different sizes of Mivi Q aspiration catheters to allow the operator to match the appropriate catheter to the target vessel size. All Q catheters must be used with a guide catheter that has an internal diameter of 0.88 to 0.90 inches. Prior to use, the Mivi Q catheter should be flushed with saline. This can be performed with the hub of a syringe or an introducer sheath. Saline should be demonstrated to come out of the tip of the catheter. The Q catheter should then be backloaded with a microcatheter and microwire. Approximately 20 centimeters of microcatheter should be advanced out of the tip to aid introduction into the guide catheter. The microwire should be shaped appropriately for intracranial navigation. The rotating hemostatic valve should then be loosened, and the 20 centimeters of microcatheter advanced into the guide catheter, followed by the Q catheter. The microwire should then be advanced out of the end of the microcatheter. After navigating the microwire and microcatheter to the proximal surface of the thrombus, the Q catheter should be advanced until it engages with thrombus. The microcatheter and microwire should then be removed to maximize the internal diameter of the aspiration system, and the rotating hemostatic valve fully tightened to prevent air leak. Aspiration should then be performed for approximately 2 minutes via the side arm of the guide catheter rotating hemostatic valve. The rotating hemostatic valve should be loosened when the proximal end of the Q catheter can be visualized within the viewing window of the rotating hemostatic valve to allow removal of the Q catheter. Thrombus and debris within the Q catheter can be removed by flushing with saline, either with the hub of a syringe or with an introducer sheath.